I let this steak sit for about 30 minutes. I'm not sure what that does, but alright. Let's get some cracked peppercorn on here. I like a good amount of pepper. That's what everyone says when they put too much seasoning on something. They just say they like it a lot. Alright, next you want you want your pan to heat up. You probably want to start heating it up at the medium setting. You don't want it to it can still get to a smoky point at this medium setting if you set it too long. So just be careful. Now I'm going to add the oil to the pan, see if it smokes. It's just extra virgin. If you can't tell from the color. I can smell it. As soon as you smell the oil, you know it's hot. You know it's hot. Just bring it up to the lights, to any light source you have, and you can see the pan start to very gently smoke. We're going to go ahead and turn the fan on and return it to the heat. Alright, this oil is nice and ready. And when you get your steak on, you're going to want the steak to sizzle. No sizzle, no sear, baby. Yeah. I'm going to wash this aluminum and try and reuse it. I don't want to waste. If you want to try and prevent some splashing, get yourself one of these little shields. They sell them at dollar stores usually. Kind of helps. You can see sometimes it'll splash through it sometimes, but it usually takes a lot of force, so it does okay. All right, let's go ahead and flip it over one time. Gorgeous. That's a nice piece of meat. Cap that off. Let it cook for another 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Get it rare. It'll be good to go. If you want some extra flavor, go ahead and get it on its side and get that fat cap on the back. Alright, once your steak is looking pretty good, go ahead and take that bad boy off. Let it rest. Oh yeah. That's it. Thanks for joining.